Hey, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to Broke Girl Aesthetic. Alright, so here I've got a plate and one of these foam floral forms from the Dollar Tree. So $2.50 worth of materials. And I'm going to create this dupe from Anthropologie, which you will see on your screen right about here. And yeah, just for $2.50, everything else I already have on hand, I'm going to try to replicate that little riser. So I want to make sure I pull off the stickers, and you know how it is. Sometimes they come off easy and sometimes they don't. I want to get these stickers off and clean up the plate specifically to prepare to put this stuff together. And I have that done. Both the labels are off. They're still a little sticky on the plate, but it's okay. It's going to be on the underneath where we glue it together. So on this floral foam thing, I'm trying to get like a straight edge so they'll be even, right? And I'm kind of using that, the seam, I guess you would call it, as my guide to help me figure out if it's straight. And I'm trying to measure and do math, but I don't know. I got really, really close. Let me just say, I was really close. But I'm kind of just eyeballing it, really. I'm just trying to get it mostly straight. And just using a box cutter, I will cut this in half. Yep, that looks good. And here I have my two halves. And as you can see, there is a little bit I need to cut off, but then it works out perfectly. So I want to join the two arches together. And to do that, I'm just going to use some hot glue, my Surebonder glue gun, Surebonder hot glue. And I'll just run a bead all along the inside there to join them together. Alright, since those are together now, I can glue the top, and I'm going to use a combination of E6000 and hot glue to put this together. So again, just E6000 and hot glue, a couple of dots of the E6000, and then the hot glue in the center for the instant hold. Then I will let it set up nicely before I move on to painting. Just kind of eyeballed it to determine where I wanted to put it, and yeah, add some weight and let it dry. Okay, it's all set up now and ready to paint. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Everything is clean. And for this, I am using the RustOleum chalked line in linen white. I love this paint. It's so nice. And it has such great coverage. So I wanted to use this for this particular project because I'm painting over this porous material. And I also have this over on the RustOleum Creator Studio. If you are a fan of RustOleum products, you can join up with their like little creators forum kind of thing. And there are things like, you know, there's projects that you can get into, challenges. This one specifically is a little bit of a competition going on right now, designer dupes. And it's just a lot of fun. I stumbled across it last year, I think it was, and never really got a chance to participate in it. But then I saw this. I said, well, I'm doing a video about this anyway, so I'll just go ahead and let it play through. So I'll leave that link in the description box if you want to check out the Creators Studio from RustOleum. And as you can see here, I am going in with this RustOleum chalk paint in linen white, giving it this first good coat. Its coverage is really good. It just gets into those nooks and crannies real easy. I just was really happy with that. But I am going to give it 2 coats, like I said, and then I will take it out and do a clear sealer on it just to protect that paint. So we'll get to that part. All right, there it is. It's ready for its clear coat. And let's see the final touches and how it looks when it's done. Here's the finished piece, and I think I did a pretty decent job on recreating that piece from Anthropologie. Just 2 items from the Dollar Tree, a little bit of work, and I saved myself $65. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this content, would you do me a favor and go ahead and subscribe? Don't forget to hit that notification bell. I have new videos up every Saturday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great weekend. Take care, y'all. Bye.